How to revise your employee's performance plan in Full Cycle Online. After logging into your Full Cycle Performance portal, click the My Employees Reviews folder on the left side of the screen. Then, find the employee whose plan you need to update and click their name. This will bring you to an overview of the Full Cycle Performance process for this employee. On the left-hand menu, click Performance Plan. This will take you to the most recent version of this employee's performance plan, including their institutional and individual goals. To revise or update this performance plan, click the blue Actions button near the top right corner of the screen. Click Revise. From here, click the tab of the area which you need to revise. In this example, we want to change the weight of 2 of this employee's institutional goals to reflect a change in their current job responsibilities. We also want to add clarification about what that looks like in one of the comments boxes. If you need to make changes to the individual goals or the talent development plan, simply click those tabs from above. Once you've made the necessary changes, click the blue Revise button at the bottom right part of the screen to finalize your updates. Your employee will now be able to log in to their employee portal and see the most up-to-date version of the performance plan. For more tutorials on Full Cycle Performance Online, please click the links below, and don't forget to visit our website for additional tools and resources.